some more great items that we find in here at this Goodwill. These Jordan ones for the kids, only $7.99. I'm gonna pass on these because they're not limited, for one, and then also I don't want to sit on them. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to sit on them, so I'm gonna put these back. I found some cool books to go through. The only one that looked worth something was this one. It's $2.99 for 11 bucks. So actually, I'm gonna hide this in my book spot and try to come back and get that. This one here, $1.99, is going for like $11. This right here, $8.99, and it's going for like 25 used. So we on. Pretty good stuff today here. I'm gonna show you guys everything when we get back to the crib, of course. Now this is what you go to Goodwill for. Things just like this. I just wish it was a little cheaper, but $7.99. On the screen you might see what it's worth now. That's the difference. $7.99 for 49 bucks. It's a lot of them. I mean, I would be stupid not to take as many as possible, right? Another great find, bro. $13.99 for this. But if you see on the screen, I'm pretty sure I'll show you guys what it's really worth. This thing looks pretty much brand new, bro. You gotta check this out and see, but I think this is a good one because it's going for like 79 bucks. A lot of stuff here, as you guys can see, man. I'm finding some good things at this Goodwill. I think they got another cart coming out pretty soon too, so we're gonna check that out. But I went through everything here that would be worth something that I could get. Let me go ahead and check this out. Never know. Everything. When you're at a Goodwill, though, you gotta check everything. You just never know what you might come across. It's like that might be good for the summertime. Everything here I've already looked over though. We got some Chucks here. In pretty good condition for $9.99. And these Jordan 1 mids for the kids. You gotta pass on both of them though, because I got too much other stuff going on. We had also came across this Wii right here for 10 bucks, right? And then a PlayStation 3 for 24. But I don't think we're gonna keep these because the flips on them is definitely not what I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to have a lot of inventory. I would probably be able to move this pretty soon, but I have no capability right now of testing it, and it has some other things there that I could move a lot faster, you feel me? So until we meet again, Wii and PS3, I'm about to go take these back and exchange it for something else, you dig? I know some of my wrestling fans would like this right here, WWE Piggy Bank. What do you guys think about this in the comment section? Maybe I have to look this up too. I used to be a big fan of WWF, but now it's WWE. What do y'all think about this in the comment section? This might be something to hold on to. It's like the championship belt. I can dig it. Found this Tommy Bahama shirt, 100% silk. Not bad. When I looked it up, I only seen comps for like 15, 16 bucks. Shirt's $5.99. This would normally be a good pickup for some people. For me, I pass because I don't want to build up inventory like that. You know what I'm saying? I want my stuff to kind of be moving pretty quickly. And Tommy Bahama, I just think it might be a slow, I don't know, even though it's about to be that time. You know what I'm saying? That's what makes me think. But I don't know, man. What would you guys do? I think I'm going to pass, but let me know if I should have picked this up or not. I think we're going through these shirts at the Goodwill. Trojan shirt, Joe College, that's not a good one. This one looked pretty good when I first pulled it out, but that's a fake polo thing right there, so you gotta keep moving. If you guys FUBU, for us, by us, what y'all know about that, I'm good. I got a lot of things in here in Arizona. Yeah, I have a list. I just seen a list before of some good brands to go after, and I guess I might start to you know what I'm saying, look through here just so I can know. Hunt Club, don't know what that is, but look through them more because you just never know. You just never know what you can come across. Bobby Jones. If you guys have heard any of these brands, let me know. Besides the obvious, you know what I'm saying? If I see something else, Bugle Boy, what the hell? What y'all know about Bugle Boy jeans? Wow, long time. But yeah, if I see Banana Republic, if I see something Tom Taylor, that shirt looks like it's in good condition. Maybe we'll look him up to see. I don't know who Tom Taylor is. We'll look that up and see what's up with that. Let's see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? You gotta look around. You don't want to short yourself. Divided. This means it's an H&M shirt. Dockers. Yeah. Cutler and Buck. I don't know about that. But yeah, man, it's just a thing with thrift. You gotta have patience. Which I do have some patience, you know what I'm saying? I can always use some more Tommy Hilfiger. Look at that. We're gonna check this out and see what's going on here. Small Tommy logo stitched in right there. It's a double XL on it. The shirt quality looks okay. It doesn't look like there's no stains or anything. I don't know. We'll take a look at this and see what's going on. What's the price tag on it? Price tag on this thing is $5.99. There you go. Is this another Tommy Bahama? Oh, fake Tommy Bahama. Okay. All right. Okay, so yeah, like I said, we're gonna stop because I don't think I see anything else. Wrangler. You guys see some stuff that I should cop or something, let me know. I'm gonna step into the clothing a little bit too, but you know, what I know is the hooping. We leaving this collar. That collar's fucked up, but the shirt looks pretty cool. Didn't mean to say fucked up, but you know what I'm saying. Let's just look up what this is about because this just looks pretty dope, but probably nothing. Now, I've heard about this brand before. Goodness. This is a different one though. It has the pockets, but it don't have the logo on it. Makes me feel like this is some type of super vintage tee. It don't have the whale, but it has like this stitching right here that has the V on it. You know, I checked the style code. I couldn't find this exact tee, so I figured like people don't really have it anymore. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, bro. Let's see what it says on this pen. I might have to get this just to see what it is, and we'll come back and let me know. I'm gonna grab this. Let me know if this is a special tee or not. I got that stain back there. I think I could just leave it though, but let me know if I should have grabbed this or not in the comment section below. What's good, YouTube? That wraps up this video of my trip to the thrift. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like button. You always can find some good stuff at the thrift stores, in particular Goodwill and things like that. The one I go to, the few I go to, they do have a good amount of stuff, man. I still have these on deck. They're on eBay if you guys want them. If you're interested, go ahead and DM me. And I also still have got these from the last trip. If you guys are interested, go ahead and DM me on IG, Bosco's Goodies, or leave a comment, let me know, and I get back at you, something like that. I have them up on eBay and Poshmark if you guys are interested. This was a size 11. In this one, and this one was a size 12 in the Jordan 1. Just throwing that out there. There will be a lot more videos to come, man. Just stay tuned. Please continue to rock with your boy. If you do like the videos, you gotta hit the like button. And if you are new, which most of you guys are, you gotta subscribe with notification bells on just to be updated. Every single time I drop a video, I will be very consistent. Found a lot of good things, man. And I also could use your help. If you see something in there I should have grabbed, let me know. If you see something in there that you grabbed that helps you out, let me know in the future. Especially, you know, no competition is all friendly competition in the sense we're all helping each other out, especially if we're not even in the same state, you know what I'm saying? So if you see something, say something. It's your boy Bosco. I'm about to get out of here. Thank you once again for watching this video, aka Bobby to the PDA. Peace.